What is ethnocentrism? Ethnocentrism is the term anthropologists use to describe the opinion that one's own way of life is natural or correct. Some would simply call it cultural ignorance. Ethnocentrism means that one may see his or her own culture as the correct way of living. Ethnocentrism is generally seen as a bad thing because it leads to prejudice and hatred of other groups. Ethnocentrism is the belief that our own ethnic group is different from, and in some way superior to other ethnic groups. This can lead us to actively despise other groups and, at times, try to harm them. Why are people ethnocentric? Based on Wikipedia, ethnocentrism is believed to be learned behavior embedded into a variety of beliefs and values of an individual or group. The social identity approach suggests that ethnocentric beliefs are caused by a strong identification with one's own culture that directly creates a positive view of that culture. Ethnocentrism rests upon the assumption that the worldview of one's own culture is central to all reality. An, in- an ethnocentric person expects everyone to think and behave like him after. Of course, you scrape away the superficial differences such as colorful clothing, unusual food, quaint practices, and even skin color. So, what is the problem of ethnocentrism? Ethnocentrism leads to misunderstanding others. We falsely distort what is meaningful and functional to other people through the tinted lens of our own life experience. We see their ways in terms of our experience and not their context. Ethnocentrism can lead to problems such as racism, xenophobia, cultural ignorance, and insensitivity. It can also it can also contribute to political, social, and economical violence against certain groups of people. What can we do about it, or what are the things that we must do or follow? First, be self aware. Acknowledge the advantages or disadvantages you have. Recognize your ethnocentric attitudes and how strong they are. Second, educate. Read, attend lectures, presentations, and training sessions designed to help interaction between different ethnic groups. Third, listen. Seek to understand before trying to make yourself understood. Fourth, speak up. Using appropriate methods, identify its stereotypes, prejudice, and discrimination when they occur. Fifth, review team norms. Periodically review your team norms, goals, expectations to determine if they are built on inclusion and pluralism or if a subgroup has formed that tends to dominate other members in the group. Make adjustments as needed. 6. Avoid getting or taking offense. Change will take time and effort. Everyone makes mistakes and may need multiple times to alter their behavior. If you are aware that the comment you are about to make may be offensive, take a moment to determine another way to say it or frame the comment or question in terms of better understanding and intent not to give offense. 7 and the last one, be forgiving.